without any addition. We put again under this machine.
So this process is how you do this, the
We
painting.
make this paper from this plant.
Okay.
Okay, from
Yeah.
inner bark because
Okay.
we get the very thin slices.
Okay.
Okay, we put these slices under this machine another 6 days. 6 days in the water and 6 days under this machine. After 12 days, we have piece of papyrus like that. You can touch.
Yeah,
And how we know
it's
the
like
fake
paper.
one?
Yeah.
How we know the fake one and original one? How many days you stay here?
2 days.
Just 2 days?
No, 4 days.
4
That's,
days. I hope to enjoy Egypt. Where do you come from?
America.
America.
Yeah.
Look, how we know, as I told you, the fake one and original one, when you see this one under the light, you
Yeah.
will see one vertical and one horizontal. The fake one outside flat in plastic case, can't tell if the fake one will be damaged cracked. Very flexible, also strong. Painting outside is done by machine, not by hand. Okay, now I will explain most important story, like final judgment, story number 1. Also calendar, love story, and family tree. Which one would you like to listen the story?
It doesn't matter, whichever one.
Which one catch your eyes?
That one.
Love story.
Yeah.
First wedding card. This is the first wedding card between a King Tutankhamun and his wife. She gave for him lotus flower, symbol of love. If he touched by left hand, except marry. All the character can see lotus flower, symbol of love and happiness. This one you can collect. Are you married?
Yeah.
Yeah? You
Yeah.
have a kids?
Yeah.
How many one?
One.
One.
Yeah.
Because you can collect your names by holographic, like your name with the king, wife names with the queen, and daughter or son names. That's by holographic, like this one here. This one, we call it royal cartouche. Royal cartouche in ancient time for the king and the queen. You can do your names like that in 2 minutes by professional artist here. How we know your names? We give you translation to check the names. Each letter has a meaning. Okay? Also, do you like to listen about calendar?
No.
Good or final judgment?
No.
Okay, look, anyone behind me would have a different size. Even the love story would have a different size from anyone you like. And if you're interested to do family names like your names and wife names by holographic, would have a this section, you can choose which one you like. Okay? The price here in US dollars, and that's also before a discount. For example, this one, it's 53 US dollars before discount. Come with me, I want to show you the magic room.
This is a sales job right here.
Look at love story, this one here. This is when you switch off the light. It's completely this section different. Did you see Nefertiti?
Yeah.
This is the love story change. You will be Nefertiti. It's the most beautiful one in ancient time. Here also, anyone here will have a different size. Even one like that, golden done, you have a small like this size. Okay. One more time. See everything.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. They all glow in the dark.
Look, can I show you the small love story golden duck?
Okay.
Do family names. Can I show you this?
Yeah, sure. I'd like to see it. I can't see my way. Okay. I ain't buying. This is all arch stuff.
This is the love story. This is the half size for the big one.
Yeah.
And this is the small size. You choose whatever you like, the big one or the small size. And this one, you do your names with the king, wife names with the queen, and son name in the middle.
Yeah, but how much is it?
This one just is $60.
$50?
$60.
$60?
Yes.
Oh Lord, I don't have no. I'm going to pass.
Look, do it. This number for you.
Yeah, I know. I'm going.
With the names.
Yeah, I'm going to pass.
What is it? If you want to get this one, what is your
See,
budget number?
The problem is I can't pick any more stuff. I
No,
don't.
this one we roll it. We didn't get like that, we roll it in strong tube with a guarantee certificate. You know how much original price? It's 85.
Yeah, I
We'll do
know.
just $50,
Yeah, I know.
including the names.
No, I'm going to pass. Thank you, though. I'm going to pass. Yeah.
Maybe you like half size in this?
No, I'm going to pass.
Sorry, Vicky.
Yeah. I think I'm going to pass. That's the Papyrus stuff for you. If you like that part of the video, you can go on and subscribe to the channel and like the video. Over and out.